Hi, I'm John. I'm going over these circle of fifths a bit. Maybe I'll get this in my website at some point to show these so you can download this chart. This chart I made myself a while back. I use it a lot. It's a circle of fifths, flat out. It's instead of going around in circle, it goes up and down. Being a guitar player, sometimes it's easier to think of the G going to the C. So if you think of a guitar neck, third fret, lowest string to the third fret, second lowest string, G to C, or E, A, D, G is the notes of the strings, right? So these are basically one note up and one note down, so you can think of that same pattern there. Anyhow, with the most popular music, C, F, and G, again, most songs, if they start in C, if they go to F, more than likely they're going to go back to C. If they go to F, they're probably going back to C. If they go to G, they can go back to C or they can go to F. It's just typically what happens. So if there's a song, it's going to go back to C because it won't sound right if it go. It's just not as likely. It sounds okay and everything, but and then G, it could go to C or the F. It likes to go this way, but if it goes past here, it likes to go back to the C. Anyhow, other than that, we have the C, F, and G. But a lot of songs, they go down farther here. And what happens if you're in C, playing along, it'll skip all the way. It can skip. I don't even know if it go right to the E, but it could go to A. It's just, it could go to the E. But it usually does the seventh chords, or I think they're also called dominant chords. But so you'll be playing in these three chords, and it'll skip all the way to here. But then to get back, it'll go down one at a time. So it'll go E seventh, A seventh, D seventh, G seventh, C. And I'll show you. So it's going to play in then we're going to skip to the E, but it's seventh, but it can't go all the way back. It's going to go one chord at a time. A, then D seventh, plays here. It jumps as far as you want, depending on the song. You might just go to the D7th. But then I'll go to the G7th almost always, and then to the C. Or it could go C, F, and G. Jump to the A7th. But it usually chords down one at a time. D7th, G7th, C. Yeah. You're my baby, you're my pet. We fell in love on the night we met. My heart went boom, my heart went home. Ooh, when we kissed, I could not stop. We went out of my dream. Something like that, anyways. So a lot of these songs will jump into these other chords and fall down. They never jump up and come down. They'll always jump down and go up. So go that way. So I have oh, and the other thing, these ones are usually the the seventh chords. Go to E7. Let's try B7 just for fun. And the B7. That's a little too far, maybe. A7th. D7th. G7th. The B might be a little too far, but you get the idea. It jumps and comes down. So there's a lot of songs that use that.